Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Jo number EST-102 DU. This is an extended lip strike. The EST infers that it is an extended lip ANSI strike, meaning it's 4 7/8 tall. The 102 is a reference to the fact that it is a 2-inch extended lip. We'll go over that in a moment. And the -DU, that means that this is a Duro-coated, Duranodic is the finish, which complements a dark bronze. As you can see, it also complements oil-rubbed bronze. Jo does not manufacture an oil-rubbed bronze strike, but this is what they would offer. It's going to be a stainless base material, is what it is, with that Duro-coated finish. I believe it to be powder-coated. Okay. There's a link below this video to a document called Template, and the template gives all of the important dimensional properties of the strike, but let's just go over the primary points. 4 7/8 is the height. That is typical for a hollow metal frame. Steel frames are almost always 4 7/8 strikes, especially for most locks, and so this would fit right in. The 2-inch extension is not the overall width of the strike, because the lip length is measured from the center line of the holes to the edge of the lip, like that. To put this in perspective, a standard lip length is about 1 3/8, 1 5/16, 1 3/8, right in that range. So this is about 5/8 wider than standard. Why you would use an extended lip strike? Just to mitigate the premature striking of the latch bolt, hitting a shutter, casework, the frame itself proper. You might have a door that's inset into the frame deeper than standard. Unusual, but it does occur. You might have a condition that you've got a hollow metal frame installed on a masonry wall, but they've wrapped, drive it, some sort of synthetic facing to the masonry and brought it back to the face of the frame. Well, you've got that latch bolt coming and striking that material. That's where you'd use an extended lip strike. You'll see extended lip strikes also used in residential applications where you've got a kitchen full of cabinetry and you have cabinetry, even the facing to the face of the refrigerator mimics the rest of the cabinetry. Well, you likely will have a pantry in there as well, and you'll have a construction of all this cabinetry such that you need an extended lip strike. And that concept would work there as well. If you're looking at extended lip strikes, you might also need to consider wide throw hinges, which we can help with those as well. All of the balance of the important dimensional properties to this strike are also on that template. So if you have any questions pertaining to that, please feel free to reach out to us. Now, this strike is also going to be available in different finishes as well. You're going to be able to see this strike not only in the dark bronze finish, but certainly in stainless steel. That would be very common, and quite frankly, that is the only finish that these are currently available in. Okay, stainless steel or dark bronze. They had discontinued apparently the satin bronze finish, and I believe the polished brass as well. So stainless steel and dark bronze. Now, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page. Oh, excuse me. This strike does include screws. These are a combination style screw that will have a wood and a machine thread that will allow you to install it in either sort of condition. Why would you install this on a wood frame? It'd be uncommon, but you could, and people do. Why? Well, they need an extended lip strike, but at the same time, they might have some damage above and below or some around the frame, and they simply want to disguise it by chiseling out the frame larger. Some people also feel that this strike is a bit more secure than a smaller strike. I wouldn't disagree with that whatsoever. It's a lot more height of steel than you would have otherwise. Whatever the reasoning that you might want a 4 7/8 strike, it's all valid. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the full line product catalog from Jo. That's a bit of an overwhelming document because it's a large, unwieldy document. So therefore, we've put on that page all of the subsections of the catalog made available from Don Jo. And what you're going to see from them is a variety of different items that you may be unaware of that they sell. They are basically a full line provider of all things trim and auxiliary hardware related, whether it be door stops, kick plates, push and pull hardware. They're going to have pivots. They're going to have a variety of other accessory hardware like signage, filler plates that you'll use on steel doors and steel frames. But it's their two product lines of door reinforcing wraparound plates and latch protectors that they're most widely known for. If there are any questions on the Don Jo, number EST-102-DU, extended lip strike, or any other Don Jo product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.